really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us.
Tell me what will become of my life. I have a wife and two children will love me. I am the victim of police brutality now. I'm tired of being the victim of hate. You're ripping me of my pride and my God's sake. I look to heaven to fulfill this prophecy. Set me free.